anybody who's asked me that question, I think it will probably go like this. Everybody say hello to Teenage Rob. Hello, youth, how are you?
I'm buzzing. I've just joined this new boy band. I think something big is going to happen. Rob, they're called Take That.
You sound very excited.
I am. There's this guy in the band, Gary Barlow, amazing sing-writer. I could just tell we're going to be best mates forever, like never ever fall out.
Yeah.
What year is it where you are?
2025?
Wow, England must have won the World Cup at least twice by now. So wait, you'll be in the future? Bloody hell, I must have looked after myself. You look great for 60.
I'm not 60, I'm 51, you cheeky bastard.
Oh, sorry. I love being in the band though. Best bit? The lads are all so clean living. No chance of me getting into drugs or alcohol. That just wouldn't be me.
Yeah, hold that thought, mate.
And we've got each other. I could never be a solo act. Could you imagine?
Well, I've got news for you. I'm currently standing in a stadium with tens of thousands of people.
On your own? Really? Wow.
What do you mean, wow?
Well, I just assumed you were doing a Milli Vanilli, miming someone else's voice. You've never exactly had the strongest vocals, have you?
You cheeky bastard, I'm not sure this was a good idea.
Hang on. If you're playing stadiums to people who've followed you for decades, does that mean your audience is just old mums and grandmas now?
How dare you!
So tell me, how's my love life?
Well, I'm very happy to tell you, buddy, that we're married with 4 kids.
Oh my God, that's incredible.
I know.
I never thought they'd legalise gay marriage.
Shut up, nobody knows!
Oh, question.
Yeah?
Do we still have a lower than average sized penis?
Shut up, ladies and gentlemen, the reason I'm in therapy, teenage Robbie Williams! When I'm drunk, I dance like the devil. I started come flooding back. Remember this one? Bum 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 bam.